Hello all investors and traders, welcome to Strike. Today I'm going to explain a new screen in Strike, which is the option chain. Now if you go to analyze section and then in options, you'll see option chain has been added in Strike. You can view option chain for any index or stock that is available in the FNO segment, and then you can choose the expiry date for which you would like to see the option chain. Now, all the important information is available here, like the price and price change for both calls and puts, the VWAP, the bid and ask price, the open interest, volume, and change percentage for both. Today's volume change, implied volatility, put call ratio based on volume and open interest, all the Greeks, and of course the built up as well. And you can also view the chart of that particular strike and view the trend of that particular strike, whether it's a call or a put, and you can see the OI and the price graph for the same. Now, for you to customize all this information, there are few options that are given. Firstly, you can view all the prices in terms of lots. If you want to see what is the premium required to buy one lot, you can simply enable per lot functionality, and then you can see the figures are converted into rupee terms. Now, if you don't want all of the columns here, then there is something known as manage option chain. So if we open manage option chain, now if you're interested only in the call side, you can disable the put side as a whole, and now you can see only call side is visible. Similarly, you can also disable call side to view only puts. Now let's say you're not interested in certain data points, so you want to reduce the clutter on your screen. So let's say I'm only watching open interest and volume, and I don't want Greeks here and even the implied volatility. So I will remove the things that are not required to me. And then you can see only the columns that I've selected are visible now. So this is the way you can customize your own view for option chain. Now within option chain, we've given few data points that you can watch exclusively across all the expiries. For example, you want to watch only the open interest change across all expiries. So now what you can see is in all the columns, there are expiry dates given. And now in the cells you are watching, what is the open interest change for the particular strike in the particular expiry date. So if I go to some other stock, you can see open interest change across all three expiries. And if you're watching any index, be it Nifty or Bank Nifty, then you'll see more expiries because there are weekly expiries as well. Now, apart from open interest change, there are other informations available like OI interpretation, IV across the expiries. So when there is an event coming around the corner, you can watch if the IV is way too high or way too low around a certain expiry. Then is volume, and you can see the highlights made for the highest and lowest points in that column, so you can watch where the activity is happening. And Greeks as well are available in the same form, be it delta, vega, or theta. So we have made it a lot of customizations to it and highlighted all the important data points. You can see that the ATM strike is highlighted by a light orange color, and the in the money strikes are slightly faded in the light blue color, and all the change columns are the text colors are either red or green depicting the change for that day, and the cells are highlighted for the highest and the lowest figure in that particular column. So we have tried to make the option chain as detailed as it can be. So do check out the option chain for all the important information related to options, and let us know your feedback on the same. If you have any doubts, just post it in the comment section. We'll try to cover it. So like, share, and subscribe to the Strike channel for more helpful videos. Thank you.